I've got an Oculus Rift. So we're going to be opening this Oculus Rift. So let's slide this. So it has a little O on it, and it's kind of facing sideways, and it's like straight and flattened out. Oh, okay. All right, now let's open. Now that's sweet. Got one controller here. Another controller. Some batteries, I think. Now we got the headset. Pretty heavy. Kind of velcroed in. Detect the stuff. Take those stickers off. The Velcro is right here. Let's take it off. So here's one of them. So cool. Had to take the plastic stuff off.
Ooh,
If
yeah.
you can kind of see, it says Oculus right there. And it can tilt back and forth. So let's get our other one. So shiny. So cool. Oh, there's like stickers on the other side too. There's one on here. Nope. This one's plain clear. I don't know where my others went, but here's the other one. See how we get the headset out. Woo! So here's the headset. Gotta take some stickers off. Woo! So let's peel this off. So there's the screen. And the screen is kind of black and it's really shiny, so that you can see clearly through the screen. And the important part is kind of where you need to do this. If you want to hear, you have to put these things on your ears. Get a closer look at them. They're like little sound machines, like headphones. But they're not technically like headphones. Headphones have a strap around them, and these ones technically don't. Oh, wait. They have a sticker on them. We can get that off someday. Sometime. Oh, I found them! Ha! How did they get there? Silly me. And that's the unboxing of my Oculus Rift. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell. Make sure to hit that like button.